Hi there, I am Lynn Huber, and I want to welcome you to What's Hot Campaign 14. This is an amazing brochure. Of course, they all are. We have so many exciting things. The first half is the Senses, Avon Senses. If you love Avon Senses, you're going to love this because Avon has totally redone the line of the Avon Senses, and so we have some new flavors. We have the fresh bergamot and wild mint. And in here we have a body lotion, a body mist, and a shower gel. And I have, right here, I have the body lotion right here. They're really big. I mean, if you can kind of see, they're 8 ounces, but they're actually good size. And then next we have the sparkling grapefruit and orange blossom. Same thing, we have the body lotion, the body mist, and the shower gel. And I have that one right here, sparkling grapefruit and orange blossom. And then we have the cozy vanilla and coconut. And I have that one too. So these smell amazing. You're gonna love these. So if you're a Senses person and you love the Avon Senses, you're gonna love these. So pretty amazing. And then we have our A box right here. So only $10. You can qualify to buy this for only $10 with any $40 purchase. And this is a $42 value. It comes with a Magic's Prime Face Perfector. It comes with a gel finish 7-in-1 nail enamel, a Glimmer Sticks waterproof eyeliner in Blackest Night, and a wash off waterproof mascara in black. And these are all full size, so that's pretty cool. $42 value, only $10 with any $40 purchase. Then, of course, we have all of our usual, wait a minute, let me see if I skipped something here. Okay, yeah, so we have our new belif line, and we have this bestsellers on the go for Tsa Friendly Must-Haves. This one comes with the True Cream Aqua Balm, a True Cream Moisturizing Balm, a Moisturizing Eye Balm, and an Aqua Balm Jelly Cleanser. These are all trial sizes, so perfect for on the go. You can take them. They're all TSA approved. And then, of course, we have our full-size belif Jelly Cleanser and our Eye Balm. The belif is the #1 top-selling product at Ulta and Sephora, so pretty exciting. And then there's our creams. Full-size cream, the True Cream Aqua Balm, and the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. And then, of course, we have our new high-end luxury products. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love these. They are expensive. These are for people that are looking for luxury products. This is Fermented Skincare. It takes 2 years to create these products. It takes 1 year of picking all the plants that go into it. There's, I don't remember how many, 86 medicinal plants harvested over 4 seasons for peak potency and fermented for another year to achieve maximum efficacy and help promote the look of smooth, radiant skin. So I do have those here. This is our serum, the Mission Luxe Rev serum, and this is the Mission Luxe Rev cream. I use these every morning. And you know what? I mean, I don't know if you can see. Let's see if I can get close. If you can see this, I've been using this. I actually put, because it's very expensive, I put a note in the inside of my medicine cabinet with the date I started using this, and it was 4/17. So April 17th is when I started using it. I have used it every day, and I'm not even a third of the way into it. You don't need very much. It's just a tiny little bit. And I was told this would last 4 to 5 months, which is why I put a date, because I wanted to see for myself. But so far, it looks like it's doing it. And seriously, it's just a tiny little bit, and then it spreads really far, so it doesn't take much. And you know what I love the most about this is I have dry skin, and I could put this on in the morning, and like 5, 6, 7 o'clock at night, my skin still feels really moisturized. And I don't have any other cream that does that. I mean, this is just amazing. It feels so nice going on. It feels great all day long. Pretty amazing. Of course, it is, like I said, it's expensive, and this is for those people that are looking for luxury skincare. And then we have our new products, our lip balm, VDL Expert Color Lip Cube Marble Glow Lip Balm. And we have our triple score for lips, VDL Tint Bar Triple Shot. Pretty amazing. Those are like really cool new products. We have our new VDL primers. We have new brow products. We have all kinds of new products. I wanted to show you a couple of my favorites too. This Rice Water Bright Cleanser. Oh my gosh, I have this in the shower and I love, love, love this. And the wipes are just amazing at night to take your makeup off. But in the morning, I use that in the shower and this lasts forever. And it's a big bottle and it just lasts forever. And I love the way it feels on my skin. And then when I'm not using the real high-end skincare, this is my second favorite right here. This is the Oil Drop Oil Blending Cream. When you first open it, it has the layer of cream on the top and then the layer of oil on the top and then the cream. And it comes with a stirrer and you have to stir it. Just the first time you open it. And then after that, it's amazing. But again, I have really dry really dry skin, if I could talk. If your skin's not so dry, you might rather have the Oil Drop Anti-Aging Facial Serum. But for me, I love this. I just love it. It makes me feel really good. And it also keeps my skin really moist all day, sort of like the Mission Luxe Rev does, but it also feels very luxurious. So then we can't forget, especially right now with this pandemic and us being home, we have the Root Touch-Up. This is just literally, you just go like this and you touch it up and it can cover your roots and make your, if you're dyeing your hair, it makes it last longer in between going to your beautician to get your hair done. So that's a great product to extend your hair color. And then, of course, we've got our breast cancer products. We have our Kiss of Hope Lip Dew and our Kiss of Hope Nourishing Lipstick. 15% of all purchases of this goes to the American Cancer Society for making strides against breast cancer. I want to show you this, my new favorite cologne perfume, Far Away Amalfi. I have that here. It's a beautiful bottle. It's got a translucent top on it. You can see kind of, it's beautiful. This is from the Far Away line. It is, let me see what it says. Travel to sunny Italy and take a stroll through quaint coastal towns. This solar citrus floral transports you with notes of Italian bergamot and orange flower highlighted with coastal tuberose. So I love this. I really do. I didn't think I would. It's kind of exotic. It smells like sun. And it's kind of exotic, but it's not overbearing. So this was my first bottle, and I just ordered 3 more because this is for limited time, so I didn't want to run out. I wanted it to last me through the summer. One of my favorite fragrances. Moving on, Father's Day is coming up, and Avon brought back the boot, the black suede in the boot. Isn't that cool? And don't forget True Gent. This is like our most popular fragrance for men. My husband loves it and it smells really good on him. So those are available for Father's Day. And we have some more candles. We always have great candles. These are our, we have the Bonfire candle, which is earthly oak moss, salty beech, wood, and crackling amber. We have the Mosaic candle, which is vibrant peach, fresh mandarin, and faceted solar musk. Cabana candle, zesty lemon, breezy coconut palms, and watery blue lotus. And we have the Sandstone candle, crisp apple blossom, desert sage, and comforting coconut. And the Meadow candle, light or lush meadow flower, summer bluebell, and soft white amber. So these are perfect for summer. They are 3-wick, 11-ounce candles, 30 hours of burn time. These are really popular. If you're gonna order them, be sure to order them right away because we run out of stock on those quick. And then we have a whole host of summer clothing. Look at these. Check out this dress. Isn't that perfect for summer? And look at this one. Just perfect for the beach or just kicking around. It's floaty, it's casual. I love the bright colors. And we have some more really cool summer. We have a jumpsuit. We have a swing dress with pockets, and we have this novelty blouse with lace, perfect for summer. And then we have the eyelet top, comes in 1, 2, 3 colors. Really nice, perfect for summer. There's all kinds of stuff. We have the ruched cropped leggings right here, and then we have the cold shoulder with side tee. Check that out. I have that on, and I don't know if you can tell, it's got this really cool little tie here on the side, and it's hard to see, but it's actually pretty long and really comfortable and just perfect. It's lightweight and it's a cotton polyester, but it's really comfortable and be perfect for summer. So check that out. Love that. And we've got some summer tees. All kinds of things. Check out this summer jewelry. Peachy beads. Isn't that gorgeous for summer? Wow. And we have some more summer jewelry. Ocean treasures. And some more summer jewelry. We have so many neat things coming up for summer, and some more jewelry and stuff for men for Father's Day. So we have this really cool watch. We have a cross pendant. We have a bracelet, a ring, and look at this necklace. This is beautiful. Men's stainless steel genuine lapis necklace. Beautiful. And new with Avon, we have our household products, we have our clean team, we have our Homestar Rangehood and Kitchen Degreaser, our Homestar multi-purpose cleaner, we have our fresh Fiji laundry sheets. These are just sheets. They're just sheets, like almost like the sheets you put in your dryer, except you put these in your washer and they do your wash. Amazing, amazing. And then there's a fabric freshener down here. And of course, we're into summer, so it's bug guard time. This is our Expedition, Bug Guard Expedition. It has sunscreen, SPF 30. And this is like the deep woods, but no, it doesn't have any DEET. It doesn't have anything that's not good for you in it. You guys all know about our bug guard products and how safe they are. And then we have our Picaridin, which is perfect for at dawn and dusk when the bugs are most active. Like if you're out doing your making s'mores or whatever, this is perfect. And we even have the sheets. They're individually wrapped and you just take them with you. They're like wipes and they work amazing. And we have the water resistant plus SPF 30. We have the regular Bug Guard Gentle Breeze, and then we have the Cool and Fabulous Disappearing Lotion. So this goes on blue, so you put it on kids and you can make sure that you cover every inch of them, and they love it because it's blue, but when it dries, it's clear. So many things to check out in Campaign 14. Be sure to check it out, and thanks for being here with me today. I hope you have a great day.